This is the first time AI can actually run your entire workflow instead of just helping you. I'm going to show you how Claude just evolved from a chatbot into a full execution engine that can automate everything. When you combine it with Notebook LM, you get something that's honestly pretty wild. This isn't just another update. This is AI becoming a complete operating system. If you get this right, you're going to be 2 years ahead of everyone else. So Claude just got skills. And I'm not talking about it getting better at answering questions. I'm talking about it can now execute repeatable workflows like a real teammate. Think about this. Before, you had to prompt AI every single time you wanted something done. With skills, you can program behavior once and Claude just does it automatically. It's like having mini apps inside your AI. You save the workflow, connect the tools, and Claude handles the execution. This is the shift from using AI to building AI systems. Here's where it gets crazy. Anthropic has been building toward this for months. Rolled out Cowork, which lets Claude access your local files like a real team member. It gave it massive memory, so it can understand entire projects at once. And now with skills, it can execute structured workflows without you babysitting it. This isn't a chatbot anymore. This is an agent that can actually do work repeatedly and reliably. And that changes everything about how you use AI. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. But skills are only half the story. Let me tell you about Notebook LM because most people are sleeping on this. Notebook LM used to be just a note-taking app from Google. It's a full research brain that's grounded in your data. Big difference is it doesn't hallucinate. Every answer comes with sources. You upload your documents, PDFs, videos, whatever, and it becomes an expert on that specific knowledge. It's like having a research assistant that actually knows what it knows and can prove it. Notebook LM has these insane features now. You can upload 50 PDFs and ask it questions, and it will give you source-backed answers instantly. But it goes way beyond that. It can create podcasts from your documents, can generate video summaries, can build mind maps and slides. And they just added this deep research agent mode where it can do autonomous research for you. This is what a knowledge engine looks like. When you combine that with Claude skills, you get something nobody's talking about yet. Here's the combination that makes this absolutely nuts. Notebook LM becomes your verified knowledge base. Claude skills becomes your execution layer. Together, they form a complete AI operating system. Let me show you what I mean. Notebook LM understands all your research and documents without making stuff up. Claude skills takes that verified knowledge and turns it into actual output. Products, code, content, whatever you need. And it does it automatically based on the workflows you set up. This is exactly how modern agent systems are evolving. You're not prompting anymore. You're designing systems. Let me give you some real use cases so you can see how powerful this is. This one is building a business automatically. You upload all your niche research into Notebook LM. Could be competitor analysis, market research, customer interviews, whatever. Notebook LM digests all of it and becomes an expert on your market. And you create a Claude skill that generates your offer, builds your landing page, and writes your email sequence. It used to take weeks, now happens in hours. Because it's grounded in real research from Notebook LM, it's not generic garbage, it's based on actual data. It can use cases for students or anyone studying for exams. Upload your textbooks and course materials into Notebook LM, becomes your personal tutor on that content. Then create Claude skills that generate notes, quizzes, and flashcards automatically. You can even set up a skill that creates a revision plan and tests you daily. The system runs itself. You just show up and learn. This is how you study smarter instead of harder. And it's all based on verified information from your actual course materials. Third use case is developer workflows. This one's huge. Upload your documentation and code base into Notebook LM so it understands your entire project. And create Claude skills that write features, fix bugs, and update documentation. Here's the best part. Your docs stay synced automatically because the skill updates them every time it makes changes to the code. More outdated documentation, more context switching. The system handles it all. This is what modern development looks like when you use AI properly. Fourth use case is content creation. And this is where things get really interesting for anyone making videos, blogs, or social media. Upload your research into Notebook LM. It could be articles, competitor content, industry reports, whatever. Notebook LM becomes an expert on your topic and create a Claude skill that generates scripts, hooks, and thumbnail ideas based on that research. You can output YouTube videos, Twitter threads, blog posts, all from the same system. And because it's pulling from real research, your content is actually valuable instead of generic AI slop. Let me explain why this is actually a massive shift. We went from AI tools to AI agents to AI systems. Tools just respond to prompts. Agents can do multi-step tasks. Systems can run entire workflows automatically. That's what you get when you combine Notebook LM and Claude skills. Knowledge layer and the execution layer working together. And the people who understand this are going to dominate. Because while everyone else is still prompting ChatGPT, you're going to have autonomous systems running in the background. Here's something most people miss. Winners in AI aren't going to be the people using it the most. They're going to be the people designing the best systems. Anyone can chat with AI. Not everyone can architect workflows that compound over time. That's the skill you need to develop. How to break down your processes into repeatable steps, how to connect knowledge to execution, how to build systems instead of just using tools. This is what separates people who get results from people who just play with AI. Let me be real about the limitations though, because I'm not going to hype this up like it's perfect. Skills are still evolving. The setup can be complex if you're not technical. And you need to think in structured workflows instead of just asking questions. This isn't plug and play yet. You have to put in work up front to design your systems. But once you do, they run forever. And that's the trade off. More work now for automation later. Because people won't do it because they want instant results. But if you're willing to invest the time, this is how you build leverage. Here's where this is all heading. Moving toward a full AI operating system, not just tools you use, an entire environment where personal agents handle your workflows automatically. You're going to wake up and your research will be done. Your content will be drafted. Your emails will be written. Your projects will be moving forward. Because you designed systems that run themselves. That's not some distant future. That's happening right now if you know how to set it up. Think about what this means practically. Right now, you probably spend hours every week doing repetitive tasks, research, writing, data entry, whatever. This system, you upload your knowledge once into Notebook LM, you create skills once in Claude, and then those tasks happen automatically every single time. More starting from scratch, more copy-pasting prompts. The system just runs. You get to focus on the high-level stuff that actually moves the needle. Strategy, relationships, creative work. The stuff AI can't do is what you should do next. Start small. Pick one workflow you do repeatedly. Could be creating content, analyzing data, managing projects, whatever. Break it down into steps. Upload the knowledge you need into Notebook LM. Create a Claude skill that executes those steps. Test it, refine it, move to the next workflow. Don't try to automate everything at once. Build your system piece by piece. Over time, you'll have this machine that just works for you constantly. That's how you actually win with AI. If you understand this concept, you're legitimately 2 years ahead of most people. Because right now, everyone's focused on which chatbot gives better answers. That's not the game anymore. Game is who can build the best systems, who can combine tools in ways that create compound effects, who can design workflows that scale without more effort. That's what separates the people crushing it from the people just messing around. If you want to learn how to automate your workflows and save hundreds of hours with AI tools like Claude and Notebook LM, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and build systems that run themselves. You'll get step-by-step training on setting up these exact workflows, plus access to a community of people who are already doing this. Links in the description. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. This is where you'll learn how to actually implement this stuff instead of just watching videos about it. Come join us and let's build these systems together. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.